Little children, including newborn babies, have been the worst hit by the crisis unfolding in Jammu and Kashmir. The valley's main children's hospital, the GB Pant Hospital, today stands isolated, cut off, deserted and still submerged in water. From the GB Pant Hospital in Srinagar, Barkha Dutt reports on the unimaginable tragedy there. 11 newborn babies, all of them less than a month old, died as the floods snapped the electricity lines and disabled the ventilators the babies were on. The army then stepped in to evacuate hundreds of people from here, including 300 little children.
These are the first images of the unspeakable tragedy that unfolded at Kashmir's main children's medical center, the GB Pant Hospital. The stench of death and disease is everywhere. The remains of the day tell their own story. A deserted nursery ward where children once played and laughed. The scattered little slippers that once protected a tiny tot's feet. The doll that definitely made an unwell daughter smile. Empty beds and dormitories, medicines and syringes flung on the floor. The last meal that someone was lucky enough to eat. The wheelchair that reminds you of the fragility of life. Smashed window panes and the bed sheets and curtains flung from these windows for desperate people to try and get out, their babies held tightly to their hearts. In the first 24 hours alone, 7 infants, all of them on ventilator and most of them barely a few days old, died as the floods hit the electricity lines. In the next few days, another 4 infants had died. GB Pant Hospital today is like a haunted house, desolate and cut off from everywhere. To get here is a long and arduous process. Even 6 days after the floods hit, the only way to get to the hospital is to take a boat from the army's Badami Bagh cantonment. The boat has to navigate submerged cars, wires, concrete structures and pass civilians wading through water. It takes us more than 40 minutes to reach the hospital. The journey itself gives you a sense of how tough it must have been for the army to evacuate the hospital of 600 people, many of them critically ill children. On the first day when the floods hit, a one-way journey from the children's hospital to the army base took 4 hours. At the hospital, the only way to get inside is to climb a high metal grill and pull oneself over a steep wall. Inside, the stomach-churning reminders of the devastation that hit hundreds of little babies. The full horror of what happened at the GB Pant Hospital in Srinagar, the main children's hospital in the Kashmir Valley, is only just unfolding. This is all that remains of the hospital. It's broken down, the medical equipment inside has been smashed into bits by perhaps angry, trapped civilians, and it's virtually like a little ghost town unto itself. The horror is unspeakable. In the first 24 hours when the floods snapped the electricity and the power lines, it's the children who were in critical care on ventilators who were hit the hardest. The army base hospital, about 3 to 4 kilometers away from here, received 7 bodies of infants on the first day. In the next 2 days, that number had gone up to 11. Think of 11 little babies under the age of 1 month. Who died here at the GB Pant Hospital because of these floods. Let's get a sense for what it took for the army to evacuate children from here. Hundreds of children actually had to be removed, and many of them were in critical condition. Some of them were in incubators. It must have been absolutely horrifying. You did many of the evacuations. Tell us a little bit about how you carried little babies who were in incubators. There were women who were expecting, and then of course there were the bodies of infants themselves.
Actually, we had given priorities to basically infants first, and after that the ladies, which are stuck over here. So what we did, that we have these bouts and all the safety equipments with us, and after that we have came from BB Kant, from the 92 base hospital to this place, and from this very place, which you can see,
Up
and
there?
yeah, up there.
From
The baby-
from the windows? No, from
not
this point.
not
From this point,
yes,
yeah.
from this spot, and the babies has been carried from the mothers to us by hands only. So there is no means of
They were carried in lap.
yeah.
Huh?
They were carried in lap.
This
All
is-
the babies were carried in lap.
So there was we have not used these kind of means which you can see, sir.
Yeah, I can just, if the camera can just go towards those windows, those are of course cloth ropes that are flung down from the windows for perhaps children to be handed down, for people to be come down.
Those were used by the men, especially
to
men.
come down.
Yeah,
Okay.
especially men who are strong enough, who can take their weight actually,
Yeah.
so that the evacuation process is faster.
And you received bodies of infants, they were all under 1 month old.
Yes, we received on the first day we received 7 bodies who were dead, but in the next 2 days we received about 300 of the kids, and out of which 150 were admitted with us, and all the kids were given the first aid, and all the kids who required any kind of admission or injections, they were admitted in the hospital.
Now you were actually carrying children in incubators through this water on a boat.
Oh, no, not exactly in incubators, but in the lab, because
In
you
the
cannot
lab.
have incubators
Don't
on
have
the
that
boat.
Because there was no equipment.
We are not able to carry actually those equipments on this boat. So
Not,
it is our endeavor just to take them as fast and as soon as possible to 92 BH.
And are there babies also where may have got separated from their families,
Yeah,
who are
we
unwanted, unclaimed?
Yeah, we received few of the babies who were not accompanied by anybody. They were just rescued. We are still holding them in our hospital and we are feeding them, and we are waiting for their relatives to come and claim them.
Well, here at the GB Pant Hospital, the nursery ward, as we're just going to show you in these pictures, is absolutely deserted. The medical equipment has been smashed. What happened was that women and children were evacuated first naturally, and the men who were left behind, the male attendants and other men, relatives, perhaps got frustrated, broke a lot of the equipment. That little slipper that you see in those shots, perhaps the one sign of what life once was at this now absolutely devastated GB Pant Children's Hospital. Little children have been the worst hit in this crisis. Lives so cruelly interrupted in inception itself. At the GB Pant Hospital in Srinagar, with Manoj Thakur, Noman Siddiqui and Manu Nair, Barkha Dutt for NDTV.